welcome back to another...
We've got a little bit of a challenge today. Matt will do the explaining because I'm not really good at that.
In this challenge today, we've seen it on social media, so we thought we would do it. What's the challenge?
we gotta take a sip from each drink.
Yep.
We do a little tally of who gets the most drinks right. Whoever gets the least, we're gonna do a little drinking challenge at the end.
So 1.5 litre of milk for the loser who guesses the least correct. So the way in which this is going to work is we're both going to take a sip from this one here. We haven't seen what's on the other side, so I think the camera can see what they are. We're going to count. We're going to make sure that we've got a guess in our head.
Yeah.
We're going to count down to 3. On the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, guess. Then we're going to guess what it is that we think we've drunk.
And then at the end, I reckon we do the tally up.
We'll tally it up. We've got someone that's taking score. Shout out to Breezer. Instagram handle below.
For our millions of followers.
Yeah. And then at the end, the loser is going to have to scull a 1.5 litre of chocolate milk. And
it's not really a punishment for this one because
personally, I hope it's me. Right.
But,
you want to do the honours? Remember, you can't do it a guess once you've sipped.
Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, go on. Nice and flat. That's actually pretty hard. I have no idea.
Okay. Wait. Have you got a guess?
No. I feel like I've drunk it out a few times too.
I'm feeling fruity.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is it got alcohol in it?
Well, it must be the way you're drinking it.
I actually don't know.
Well, get a guess ready.
Do you got one?
Yep.
Oh shit. I'm going for it.
3, 2, 1.
Mountain Dew.
Orange Deep Spring. Wait, do we find out now if one of us got it correct, or do we leave that to the end? Leave it
To the end.
Okay.
Yeah, well, that was definitely wrong.
That was way harder than I thought.
Yeah, it actually is. That's crazy.
All right, second one.
Okay, you go first.
That's yummies. Okay.
Sour. I'm gonna get all these wrong.
Oh, I think I'm wrong there. Got a guess?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Sour
Apple
patch.
juice.
You know, sour
Apple
patch.
juice.
You know, the warhead ones, the warhead canned drinks. I don't know, it'd be like a cherry or something. I don't know. I don't know what that is. Do you know what that is? I reckon I got that straight off the bat. First taste. Don't even need another one. Confidence. Oh yeah, he's unconfident. I've got one. I think I won on them. It's on the hard one.
Nah, I know it.
Yeah, that's annoying, but hey.
Oh, I know it.
It's crazy.
Ah, one more.
Yeah.
Oh, man, I don't know.
Yep. I'm just gonna throw it on.
Yeah.
Guess.
3, 2, 1. Green
Lemon,
apple.
lime bitters, Bundaberg.
That's what it is. Ah! God, that's what it is.
Yeah, that's it.
Shit, that. Oh, that's
Yeah.
annoyed me. That's really annoyed me.
Yeah. So I
Ooh.
know I'm one up them. That's
Ooh.
what they think. Yeah. Okay,
We're
I'll
probably
probably.
both wrong.
Yeah, probably. Right, come on.
Oh, man, why are they so
Are
hard?
these like standard drinks? I don't know that one. Oh, sour. I like sour.
They all taste the same.
That's starting to. Probably need like a glass of water, eh? You know when you smell perfume and then you smell coffee? Clear the pellets. You know, clear the pellet.
Who's smelling perfume and
God,
coffee?
well, no, you been spray perfume, and you got to smell coffee beans.
When's the last
Or
time you
you
did that?
perfume, or if we get a little, what is it called again? A promotion of perfume. This is going to be the video one.
And the promotion of coffee beans.
Well, you know, I like coffee in the morning.
Have you got a guess?
Nah, but I'll just throw out a random one. Wait. Yeah. 3, 2, 1.
Lemonade.
Grape Fanta.
I knew it wasn't lemonade.
It's not Grape Fanta, but it's right. It's sweet.
Dinosaur.
Yeah, that's a sour one.
Dinosaurs!
Yeah, I think I know what that is. Don't know what flavour. Yeah, I reckon I got that one, maybe.
Oh man, it tastes like the other one.
It does, eh?
Which kind of tastes like the other one. Which is similar to the second one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're all pretty sour.
Have you got a guess?
Yeah.
I haven't. No. Oh no. One more. Yeah, literally not a clue.
Doesn't even matter. Because in 3, 2, 1.
Apple juice.
Apple, sour apple, the canned ones, the warhead one. I think.
But that was your other guess.
Whoa, we can throw it. Can't be double up.
Yeah.
They might be tricking.
I'm just saying apple juice, hoping one is it.
I think I put this south. Oh, you didn't know.
Okay. Next one.
Yeah.
What's it?
Oh, that's unique. That's real unique. That's real unique, that one.
Unique, I like that word. It's a big one. I don't even know.
So we're down to these two.
So I said, yeah, I like that. Yeah. Yummy.
Yeah.
Alright. Okay.
Oh, what the?
Oh. Oh yeah, I think I'm drinking nothing.
Are we sorted under
Oh,
that?
people. Eh?
There might be little things in it, so we might need to like blow it and then.
Wait, why is that blocked? What the fuck? It tastes horrible. Don't know what that is. But there was a bit of a hiccup there. And what's blocking it?
I have no idea. I have no idea.
Me neither. What the hell is that? Something blocking the straw. It's probably like, I don't know, like something hard. Okay, I'm just throwing it out. What are we doing?
3, 2, 1.
Pear flavour.
Powerade. Pear's good. Pear's good. Pear's a great guess. Powerade. Shit. Bro, the lemon lime vinegar is going to kill me now. Yeah. Oh,
Wait, why
man.
did you... It tastes like pear though, eh? It
Yeah.
does kind of taste like
Yeah,
pear.
it didn't taste like Powerade. Last one.
That looks like Coke.
I know what that is.
That's disgusting.
I know what it is.
That tastes like cough medicine.
Yeah.
I like it. That's
Yes.
disgusting.
Yep. Yes, ready? Got a guess?
Well, I'm gonna throw it now. 3, 2, 1. Dr. Pepper.
Sarsaparilla. That's what that is.
Aye, I don't
100%.
think that. Who actually drinks that? It's rubbish, but that's disgusting.
I'm pretty sure it's what it's called.
Oh, okay.
Right, now we'll stop it there and we'll
stop it
come
there,
back,
please.
we'll tally it up. Well, well, I've got the results here in front of me on someone's build.
Yeah.
I have got a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 wrong.
Yeah.
And Cheyenne here has got 2 correct. So the winner of today's challenge is Cheyenne. And you can see here what each one of them was.
Why?
They all tasted the same to me, to be honest. I did not notice anything
What's that one?
different.
Oh, crime. Who even drinks that stuff? Well, if Jake Paul even messages us on this video, you know what?
What's Logan Paul, you idiot? Okay, so on to the punishment.
Wrap him up.
So 1.5 litre of Primo. Not looking forward to it, but you know, why not? It's a punishment, have to do it. So, my loss, this is the punishment. You can see it's full. Right, I'll come here, I'll crack that. And I'll try my best.
How cold is it?
It's so cold, bro.
It's fresh out the fridge, eh?
It's so cold. Oh, it's not bad.
It's not a bad shot. How much you get down? Oh,
Maybe,
got about
oh.
close to half.
Close half.
Not bad. Not bad at all.
Ah,
Yeah.
it's so cold in my throat, bro.
Yes.
It's so cold. Oh.
To be honest, that bottle looks a lot smaller than your hands, but it's a 1.5, so not bad. Not bad at all. Well,
Nearly there.
nearly there.
Oh. Man.
Yes. Okay, well.
And that was all good after.
How you feeling, boy?
Oh, this is the aftermath of doing a challenge. It's not all good to drink that much.
Not in one sitting. Oh, yeah, not bad, not bad.
All good after though.